Here you're looking at the rear centerpiece to a FJ80 Landcruiser bumper. It's aluminum. It's not heavy. And on this side you have, the bumper, and the other side the bumper corners. I have a video where I painted those, refreshed them with the proper OEM color. So do not try to guess it at Home Depot or Lowe's and just pick up whatever. You definitely want to pick up the right paint. So check that video. And I'm barbecuing right now, so just kind of side project while I'm barbecuing. I'm hitting this with two products, and I did a video also on how to polish aluminum wheels. So this one won Blue Magic Metal Polish Cream. This one doing aluminum wheels. This came in second place. The Zephyr, which is difficult to do, and I used a drill and just showed different ways. So in this I used a 000, 00, or just don't get a coarse steel wool. Get like one of the 000s and rubbed it down so you can see it's not scratching or anything. And look at that finish. And here's what's crazy. Look, I'm still gonna take, because aluminum goes black, just a couple drops there, right? You see that? And let's take a, oh, by the way, you want to see how dirty all the black coming off. This is how black it was. Check that. So let me get a clean part of my rag, relatively clean. Okay, for all intents and purposes, that's clean. So check it out. We're going to just use a corner of that and just go back and forth, and you can see it's still black. It's still taking up. That's how aluminum polish is. Sorry, I'm trying to do this with two hands. So look at that. Black as can be. So still, you want to keep changing your rag. And so I could probably go over this a gajillion times and it keeps getting shinier and shinier, but look at that. And again, it's one of those projects where I picked up the phone to start recording when it was too late. That this was almost like chalky. It would just look like, throwaway. A lot of people, I bet you, paint them, which would be a shame, because it's beautiful. Look at that. When it all comes up nice and shiny on the back of your Landcruiser, just updates it, and painting your bumper updates it. So my bumper looks OEM perfect. A little couple scratches here and there that was gouged into the plastic, but my nice bumpers, which you got to check that video with, this is going to be money. It's going to look great. So do yourself a favor, polish them up. You get the steel wool right into every one of these, and just like going back and forth, almost like you're sanding it, but you're doing it with the steel wool, and then a nice polish. I'll probably hit this one more time. It'll make it even more shinier. And I think that's about as shiny as I want to make it, but that looks fantastic. And if you want to give it a black chrome look, just your final pass, go over with this, let's say, get it that darker color, and just go over it a bit, and you can get that darker if you want. But I'm trying to go for silver. So subscribe. Check out in the description or the link that follows here for painting the bumpers. And if you subscribe, you'll see when this is on the truck, all done on a nice white 1994 Landcruiser. All right, thanks.